Please be advised of the disclaimers.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Pentago Trading here. Today we're going to take a look at one stock that I'm looking to swing trade. It's on about a reversal breakout right now, so let's get into it. So the first stock, again, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified on all my future videos. So let's jump into it. So the stock I'm going to talk about today is going to be J&J. That's Johnson & Johnson. If you don't know the stock, take a quick look at it online, read up on the stock before getting into it. Again, I'm no advisor in any way. You must do your own research before getting into the trades. So looking at the recent dump on the stock right now, we've seen a fall from about 145 to 140 and then a quick drop from there down to about 128, 129 area right there. So let's zoom in on this area, which was where I'm interested in. So the yellow line that I have here is the EMA. I use a 9 EMA, that's exponential moving average, and that's where I use to determine trades if I'm going to buy, sell, or if I'm just going to stay away from. So I teach that in my mentorship, and I'm going to be putting a course together where I teach how that works. But for now, you can go ahead and Google it and see what that is. And again, we have the 50 SMA, the blue line here. The red is going to be the 200 SMA, red, salmon color, whatever you want to call it. So right now, looking at the price point, we've seen a reversal setup forming right here. 132.08 is what it closed at today. And we've seen the MACD, which is right here. We've seen just about to cross over into the green. So whenever the RSI is right here below 30, that's where a stock is oversold. So let me zoom back in. We've seen it cross above 30. So we've seen a consolidation phase. So we saw the drop, we saw the consolidation right here. We're seeing the reversal, and we're about to see the reversal breakout. And I'll talk about the exact price points that I'm looking at, where I'm looking for it to break out over, and where the support resistance will be. So let's go ahead and jump into that. So right now we're looking at the support. So I'm going to draw the lines right here, which is going to make it very easy to see. So this is the lowest point right here. So between that area and this area, we've seen the consolidation. So the consolidation is basically, we've seen buyers and sellers fight for it, and we see one side take control, which is the buyers, of course, right here. That's why we have the reversal. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit more here. So right now I'm looking at a support area, which is going to be the big 130, the whole number right there, 130, and then I'm going to look at the support right over here. So the big area is going to be right here at that 132. I'm waiting for the support to hold, waiting for the 9 EMA to slowly curl back up. So you can see in the previous patterns, whenever the EMA goes up right here, we see a confirmation of the hold, and it goes above. That's where we see stock breakout. So this is where I call the reversal, this region right here. So we're seeing the reversal right here. You see the huge green candle, small red candle, and boom, we shoot back up. That's the reversal breakout that I call right here. So that's what I'm looking for next. I'm looking for 133, and 134 is going to be the resistance to break out over. And I'm looking for a price target all the way up here, 140. And if it does go a little bit above, it's going to be a little bit of 142. But my first initial target is going to be right here where the 50 and 200 SMA meet right here. So again, I'm drawing a lot of lines over here, but I'm going to go over this again. So we're seeing the consolidation phase here. We're seeing the support I want to hold right over here. We're seeing the reversal breakout over this 134, and initial profit target 137. Second profit target 140, final profit target all the way at 142. I might even get rid of all my position at 140 and just hold very small, or just watch it rise over 142. So again, we want to write that down, recap, start again with the video, and then take notes on what I'm talking about right here: support, resistance, initial profit target, secondary profit target, and third profit target, etc. So that's how I'm going to be playing this. So I'm going to get rid of these lines. You guys can always go back in the video and review that. Next, I'm going to talk about the Fibonacci setup. That's going to show you the exact key price points. So where did I get those price points from? We're going to look at Fibonacci next. So these are Fibonacci. This is included with all the memberships. Users, I give out the script for free with the membership. So looking at the key price points, that's what I'm talking about. We're seeing the support right here, big support. We're seeing the 132 support. We want to see that hold. Next initial target, secondary target all the way up here between that 138 to 140. Final target at that 144, 143 at that high. So that's where I got the key price points from. Again, I didn't look at the Fibonacci before identifying those because I basically know how the support resistance look from trading for a long time. So looking at the Fibonacci, I'm glad those match up. That means I'm good at my analysis. So that's basically how I'm going to be trading the stock. Again, I'm no advisor in any way. You must do your own research on the stock. Let me know what you guys think of J&J, if it's a good reversal breakout, if you're going to be taking the trade, or what do you think about my analysis. Again, hope this video helps you out, and if you want to join the chat room and immediately get part of the chat room alerts that I throw out, head over to my website, pinnacletrading.us, scroll down, and you can grab a 1-week free trial of the chat room. Join now, and if you want to join the membership immediately, you can head over to the membership tab, grab a membership there. That's a simple month-to-month plan pricing, no contract, nothing like that. And also have the mentorship plan, which I was speaking about earlier, where I teach traders live one-to-one from the basics to advanced strategies that work for me. We'll go over setups like these and go over the basics to advanced strategies that I've used before and that have been profitable for me. So again, if this video helped you out and if you're going to be taking this trade, let me know in the comments what you think. Again, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified. Make sure to support Pinnacle Trading on our social media. Again, have a great week. Tomorrow's a big day for the markets. We have the Fed's FOMC rate cut decision coming up tomorrow, so big day. Not taking any huge trades until then. After that, we'll see how markets go. Again, have a great week, and then see you again on Friday.